Welcome to Atomic Factory. This channel is where I document the tools and projects I build for everyday use. If you're into privacy, open source, or software development, you might find something useful here too. So, let's get started. Today I want to introduce Atomic QuickBee, a privacy-first, open-source Android app that lets you store loyalty cards, barcodes, QR codes, ID cards, and important PDF documents all in one place. Everything works completely offline. No accounts, no subscriptions, no cloud services, and no tracking. Your data stays on your device, under your control. Access is protected with your phone's biometric security, and all sensitive information is encrypted using Android's built-in hardware security features. Need a backup? You can export your entire vault as a single encrypted file and restore it later whenever you need it. Whether you're scanning a loyalty card at checkout, showing a QR code, or keeping digital copies of important documents close at hand, Atomic QuickBee is designed to be fast, simple, and secure. Best of all, it's fully open source, so anyone can inspect the code, contribute improvements, or build their own version. Want to try it yourself? First, clone the GitHub repository using the link in the description below. Then, check out the README file for setup instructions and project details. Next, build the APK, transfer it to your Android phone, and install it. That's it. You're ready to start using your own secure digital card vault. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this project, like, follow, and subscribe, and let's keep building a future where privacy and open source come first. Got a feature idea or a suggestion? Drop a comment below, but I'd love to hear your feedback. Cheers.